Wow, a 10,000 mAh battery, 185Hz high refresh rate with a Dongfeng turbine cooling fan and a 5th gen Snapdragon 8 custom edition. The newly released Honor Vince specs are already a top-tier benchmark among currently available gaming phones. Just these few parameters alone already represent the peak performance trinity. What I didn't expect was that Honor broke the record again, pushing the refresh rate to 185Hz. And all these games you see on the desktop, they've been natively optimized. I've tested them all, especially the classic Crossfire. For Honor's performance, it can truly handle it at full frame rate with no pressure, and for the more demanding Peace Elite, it can achieve 185 frames through frame interpolation. However, it has now also adapted to a native 165 frames option, so let's use 165 frames to test it for you all.
The same mode will watch the host with the steel gun. This round has about 25 players, whether from the moment we dropped in or later fighting daily. Its frame rate can stay stable at around 165 frames. If you've seen my test of other devices' 165 frame performance, you'll understand Honor's true worth. Its fluctuation range is noticeably small, mostly staying between 163 and 165, nearly full frame. Objectively speaking, I clearly feel that this generation of Honor has made truly significant progress. After 7 days of recording, the measured average rate was 163.9, with an average consumption of about 7 watts. After an hour of use, the battery dropped by 16%. The ambient temperature was around 20 degrees and the room temperature about 39. Notice the fan's position. Honor's Dongfeng turbine cooling fan is clearly effective. Its clever and precise design hides it directly within the lens cover opening, maintaining aesthetics while sitting close to the CPU to accelerate heat transfer. Even with the fan, it's still submersible, achieving full IP68, IP69, and IP69K waterproofing.
Let's continue to test its battery performance. First, an hour of gaming, then 2 hours browsing Douyin. After those 2 hours, it had already lost 10% battery. Then, another hour of WeChat video calls. After that hour, it also lost 10%. Finally, we played 1 more hour of gaming. After a total of 5 hours of heavy testing, it still had 52% battery remaining. This 10,000 mAh Cobalt Lake battery is truly amazing. When it comes to Honor screens, what I mainly think of is their eye protection, which has always been highly authoritative, and this time they've broken through with 5920Hz ultra-high PWM dimming, while also supporting original True Light eye protection. Simply put, with Honor, you can rest assured about its eye care display. It even has a thoughtful anti-dizziness feature for gamers. Once activated, in games like Peace Elite, small moving white dots appear on both sides of the screen. This prevents 3D motion sickness without affecting gameplay, which is a very thoughtful detail. Actually, signal strength is also Honor's forte. With its self-developed RF enhancement chip and a Wi-Fi signal booster chip, it's incredibly fast, whether it's outdoor signal reception or strong indoor Wi-Fi. It also features 3D ultrasonic fingerprint unlock, a metal frame, dual speakers and more. It truly has no weaknesses. It seems the flashier the name, the stronger the power. The Honor Vince is perfect for gamers who seek high performance and want everything to be top tier.